Hi guys! Today I'm guiding you on how to smoothly transfer money from your RBC account to TD Bank. This is a step-by-step guide, so let's dive in and get started. Alright, first things first, open your RBC app and navigate to the Move Money option in the navigation bar, usually located at the bottom. Just give it a tap to initiate the transfer. Now, proceed to the next stage by tapping on Transfer Between My Accounts. This step is essential to guarantee a smooth transfer process from your RBC account to TD Bank. Now, what you need to do is just follow the on-screen instructions visible on your device, which may include providing the necessary information needed for the transfer. So on this part, you need to ensure that you're providing the required details for a smooth and accurate transaction. Now, I just want to add that you can set up automatic transfer between your RBC Royal Bank accounts. You can do this while in the process. Just tap on frequency and select an option that suits your preference. So this allows you to establish a hassle-free routine for future transfers. And that's it, a detailed guide on transferring money from your RBC account to TD Bank. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, drop a comment, share this content, and subscribe for more guides and tips.